Happy New Year! This is my first official video of 2019. I'm very excited to be making this video and in good spirits this year as opposed to last year. And today I just wanted to give sort of a message of hope. I haven't done one of these videos in a couple of years now, and December 2018 was actually my 10-year anniversary of moving to Los Angeles. 10 years ago, I lived in Portland and I had just graduated college. I had just had 2 heart surgeries. I had just gotten a divorce and life was looking pretty grim. I had no money. I think I had $1,000 in my bank account. That was all the money I had in the world. I moved to LA. I had a friend and was dating a guy down here. Besides that, I knew nobody. I didn't have a job. I didn't have friends. I didn't have family. I had really nothing, and I just packed everything I owned into a U-Haul. I drove down here in the middle of a snowstorm. It was the scariest 20 hours of my life. It was also just kind of the scariest decision of my life. And I know a lot of you guys are going through those times in your life where you're trying to figure out what the next step is or what your plan is or what you're going to do. And it is really scary, I know. But a few years ago, I had a meeting with a producer and she gave me one of the biggest pieces of advice of my life. And she said that the universe always catches you. And what she means by that is if you make a step and it's a scary step, it's always going to turn out okay. It just might not turn out the way you think it's going to be. So the universe might catch you and push you in a direction you never thought you would go, which has really happened to me in my life. I never thought I would be making YouTube videos and Instagram posts and traveling the world and teaching classes. This was not what I thought was going to be in my life plan, but this is what happened because I took a lot of chances and I took a lot of risks. And fortunately, I do not have children, so I am able to do that probably a little bit more freely than those of you that do have children. But still, please don't be afraid to take risks in your life because life is too short to play it safe. And happiness is more important, I think, than most things. So those are my words of encouragement for the year. I challenge all of you guys to take a risk this year, whether it's big, whether it's small. Just do something different, do something outside the box, even if it's just something that pushes you out of your comfort zone. Take a trip, bungee jump, do something exciting. If you have a fear, try to overcome it. If you have something you've always wanted to try, just do it. Like I said, life is too stinking short. So I hope you guys are all having a good start to your 2019. I know we're only a couple of days in, but I am having an awesome year so far just in these first couple of days, and I'm really excited for what is to come in this year. There's a lot of new exciting things happening, so be sure to follow me all over social media to see what is going on with me, where I will be in my travels this year, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys! Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Be sure to check out these other videos that I have posted to see more of my wackiness. And if you want to see even more of my wackiness, be sure to subscribe for all things that are vintage and retro and general silliness.